is a wearable input device which will allow you to control almost anything. You just need to wear the ring and tap on the side to start your gesture. Ring captures and analyzes your gesture inside of it and sends the data to your smart devices. Vibration and LED notifies you of status updates and notifications. Each application has its own unique gesture mark, so when you want to use it, simply perform the designated action. Gesture marks can also be edited, making customization simple and easy. To control home appliances, simply sync a ring to them using your smart devices. You can connect directly or by using the hub. When designing Ring, we had to start from scratch. We made numerous prototypes, and each time Ring got smaller while its functionality improved. Capturing and analyzing the finger's movement was also a challenging task. In 2013, our gesture recognition technology was still in its early stages. However, by 2014, it has been nearly perfected and is even precise enough to detect letters. Now you can type text mid-air, anywhere, anytime. We also provide Ring font, making typing quick and easy. Another unique feature of Ring is its advanced payment solution gateway. When used with GPS or iBeacon, Ring allows you to immediately make payment transactions, revolutionizing the way you shop. We will also open API, so developers can make original applications and publish in the Ring Store. The Ring Store allows you to search for and install many applications. We've already tested and confirmed that Ring works with numerous hardware, smart devices, and web services.
This is Curvilux, the smart nightstand that makes your life easier. You can play the perfect track for your mood and always keep your devices wirelessly charged. Thanks to a sunrise alarm, Curvilux will wake you up at the right moment in a very natural way. Also, you can lock with a single tap of the drawer. Like this. Keep your stuff safe. Meanwhile, Curvilux will watch your step late at night, literally. Discover a world of possibilities and start living in your connected home. Now tell me, what has your nightstand done for you lately?
Today on PrioVR In Depth, we're talking about unlimited control. PrioVR is a full-body motion sensing suit for gaming that allows unprecedented, natural-feeling control. Typical game control systems consist of either a mouse and keyboard or a handheld controller. In either case, the set of controls is limited and often unnatural. The gameplay and world interaction is completely constrained by the controls that are available and is therefore also limited. For games that require complex interactions, the control inputs must either be context-sensitive or often use sequences of control and button combinations. These are often unnatural, can be difficult to learn, and are different for every game. Systems with inertial sensors and optics have been used in recent years as a way to move towards more natural motion-based gaming, but these have had limitations that still resulted in constrained gameplay. PrioVR solves this by allowing for unlimited, responsive, and completely natural sensing of the player's body motions. By combining full-body motion sensing with hand controllers, a fully flexible game control experience emerges. With PrioVR, every movement can be translated one-to-one into the game. For example, a traditional game control experience often requires aiming using an analog stick control. With PrioVR, aiming is done by moving your body and arms, just as you would in the real world. Rather than pressing a button to crouch or lie down or take cover, with PrioVR, you can actually crouch, you can actually lie down, and you can actually lean in and out of cover. With PrioVR, the possibilities are endless. For example, in the following sequence, the player has complete control over how he interacts with the world around him. You'll notice that he naturally decides how best to interact with the game world, just as a person in the real world would. Every interaction can be unique, different, creative, unscripted and unlimited, yet still completely natural. And by adopting a hybrid control approach, the player can still navigate through large worlds using the hand controllers, still shoot using an actual tactile trigger, and still access other options using the hand controller's action buttons. This approach allows for a remarkably rich experience that provides the player with a completely unlimited, yet totally natural gameplay experience. Watch the following sequence where each and every interaction is unique and unscripted. The player creatively decides what to do and simply does it. Headbutt. Kick. Spin kick. Elbow. Head clap. Knee. Everything is possible. Even switching weapons can be achieved naturally with motions and gestures. Watch as the player decides to use a bat for one kill, then seamlessly switches to a sidearm for the next, followed by a scoped rifle for the next. With Creo VR,
This is Form Card, a handy pocket-sized card of meltable bioplastic that you can use to make, fix and modify the world around you. You can mould it quickly and simply to make little solutions to everyday problems. When it's cool, it's really strong like nylon, so you can make solid, durable solutions with it. And then you can reheat it again and again to adapt, change and reuse it. Because it's a handy card size, you can keep one in your pocket, wallet, kitchen drawer or toolbox so that it's there whenever and wherever it's needed. And because you know it melts in a cup of hot water, that might be in a cafe to fix a broken umbrella, or around a campfire to fix a broken tent pole. It's strong enough for quick solutions to emergency situations, like when you've forgotten a tool for a job or a handle breaks on something. Plastic has got a bit of a bad name. It's associated with a cheap, disposable world in which things break easily and then end up in the bin. Form card is the opposite of that world. When it's very hot, it sticks to other plastics, so you can actually use it to instantly fix things, say a plastic shovel when you're on holiday. There are loads of amazing applications, and we'll be posting more examples online as the project develops. Just take one out of your pocket, drop it into hot water, and fix things. Simple. Thanks for watching, and please support our project. Form Card. Melt, mould, make, mend.